Here's the Wavegenius Elliott wave forecast for February 26, 2014. On the S&P 18-day 1-minute chart, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into possibly a zigzag ABC. Futures are up about 5, so it may test the top of the B at around 1853 at the open tomorrow. But if it does fade into a C wave, I would ideally like to see a C wave down to test 1827, followed by a break above 1853 to set up a third wave. That'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C into a third wave. In the third wave, the highest target I have for S&P would be as high as 2020 to 2050. Yes, that'd be 1.618 times the first wave. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C to 1827, followed by a third wave, which would probably hit that target within a couple months. And this is a very powerful chart. And the corrective wave in the past couple of days is just a corrective zigzag after 5 waves up. For the Dow, same scenario. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to an ABC. I would like to see ABC test 16,020 to the downside, followed by a break at the top of the B at 16,250 to set up a third wave. In fact, if it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC to the previous 4, and then breaks the top of the B at 16,250, that would set up a third wave. Highest target I have would be around 18,800 if it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC into a 3. Sounds crazy, but that's how third waves go. I've been calling these for a long time, and at times they sound crazy, but when it actually hits, you're like, oh shit. For NASDAQ, ideal scenario is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC that would touch either 4260 or 4230 in a wave 2, and then followed by a third wave ramp above the top of the B at around 4300. If this is 1, 2, 3, highest target I have would probably be as high as 48 to 4900 in the 3 of 3. So NASDAQ is the strongest by far because the way it's just gradually moving up. And every chart right now is either wave 1 into a wave 2 into a wave 3 in a zigzag. S&P looks pretty clear cut right now. I wish the futures would gap down so we get a full C wave, ABC, and then test that previous 4, and then break above that 1853 level to set up a third wave. So my targets for S&P would be as high as, if this scenario actually develops, as high as 2020 to 2050. The Dow will be as high as 18,800, and for NASDAQ, as high as 48 to 4,900. That's a wrap.